Welcome to the My YouTube channel. Infinix has entered the foldable phone game with a bang. The Zero Flip brings premium features, sleek design, and innovation at an unbeatable price. In today's video, we explore the top 5 reasons why the Infinix Zero Flip might just redefine the foldable smartphone market. Let's dive in. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Infinix Zero 45G flagship camera setup at a mid-range price. Next up's the Infinix Zero 45G, which steps up the photography game. It features a 6.78-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring everything from scrolling to gaming looks super smooth. Like the GT20 Pro, it's equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate processor, ensuring a lag-free experience whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using 5G. The star of the show is its camera setup, a 108-megapixel main sensor, supported by 50-megapixel and 2-megapixel secondary lenses, making it ideal for versatile photography. Selfie lovers will be impressed by the 50-megapixel front camera, a rare offering even in higher-end phones. It also features 5,000 mAh battery capacity, with 45-watt wired and 20-watt wireless fast charging, providing plenty of juice and convenience. The phone's 10-bit curved AMOLED display gives a more immersive and premium look, and full 5G connectivity ensures blazing fast internet speeds. All of this is packed into a sleek design priced at just 25,999 rupees. A fantastic deal for such high-end specs. Number 4. Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, affordable flagship with blazing fast charging. The Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus strikes a balance between premium design and budget-friendly pricing. It features a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering smooth visuals and an enjoyable display experience. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7020 chipset, it delivers solid performance for daily tasks and moderate gaming. While it's not as powerful as the Dimensity 8200, it holds its own quite well in this price range. Photography is handled by a 108-megapixel triple-rear camera setup, complemented by a 32-megapixel selfie camera that's perfect for high-quality video calls and social media content. What really sets this device apart is its charging capabilities. A 4,600 mAh battery paired with 100-watt wired fast charging and 20-watt wireless mag charge. An impressive combo, especially at its price point. It also includes JBL stereo speakers and IP54 protection, ensuring great sound and durability. Available for around €290, this phone is a fantastic pick for anyone wanting premium charging and camera features without spending flagship-level money. Number 3. Infinix Zero Flip, the foldable revolution from Infinix. If you're looking for something futuristic and stylish, meet the Infinix Zero Flip. This foldable smartphone features a 6.9-inch LTCO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, combining ultra-smooth performance with top-tier visuals. It runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 processor, providing reliable power for multitasking, media consumption, and everyday use. Despite being a foldable, it doesn't compromise on cameras or battery. It comes with dual 50-megapixel rear cameras and a 50-megapixel front camera that's ideal for selfies and video calls. With 512GB of internal storage, you get ample space for all your apps, photos and videos. The 4,720 mAh battery supports 70-watt fast charging, so even with heavy use, you'll be back to 100% in no time. Priced around 49,999 rupees, this is one of the most affordable foldable phones on the market, bringing the future of smartphones within reach. Number 2. Infinix Note 30 Pro, best budget all-rounder. Last but not least, we have the Infinix Note 30 Pro, an excellent all-rounder for budget-conscious users. Featuring a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, it delivers vibrant visuals that are a treat for streaming and gaming. It's powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, which provides dependable performance for casual gaming, social media, and browsing. It may not match the power of Dimensity processors, but for its price, it's a solid performer. Photography is handled by a 108-megapixel triple rear camera and a 32-megapixel front-facing camera, enabling high-quality photos and selfies. With a 5,000 mAh battery, 68-watt fast-wired charging, and 15-watt wireless charging, it offers excellent power management for users on the go. The phone is designed with value in mind and is priced at around 22,000 rupees, making it one of the best AMOLED phones in its class. Number 1. Infinix GT20 Pro, a gaming beast in your pockets. The Infinix GT20 Pro is designed for mobile gamers and power users who want flagship-level performance without breaking the bank. It features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, making gameplay and UI interactions incredibly fluid. The panel offers vivid colors and deep blacks, ideal for immersive media consumption. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset, delivering outstanding performance and energy efficiency. This phone doesn't just look fast, it is fast. In the camera department, the GT20 Pro boasts a 108-megapixel triple-rear camera setup for high-resolution photography, along with a 32-megapixel front camera that captures sharp and vibrant selfies. Battery life is another strong point, thanks to the 5,000 mAh cell that supports 45-watt fast charging, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day. Key highlights include RGB LED lights, JBL stereo speakers for immersive sound, and IP54 water dust resistance, adding durability to the design. All this is available for around 22,390 rupees, offering fantastic value. So guys, that's all for the top 5 best Infinix phone. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.